Venngage by Anne Schiffer. What is Venngage? Well, it's an online design platform. This online tool is used for creating infographics, reports, and data visualizations. This software provides you with many choices of projects you can make. Those choices include infographics, presentations, brochures, mind maps, posters, and more. Let's look at the future applications of the software. For the field of education, there are many project options that would be useful in the classroom. One feature in particular would be mind maps or infographics. Something that's really special about this software is the fun and colorful layouts that it provides, which would be great for children. I decided to make an infographic. As you can see here, these are just a few of the bright, colorful templates that the software provides you. Once you choose your template, it's very easy to customize it to your project's specifications. As you can see here from two of the menus, the choices are plentiful as well as the navigation is very user-friendly. Each section has a drop-down menu and lets you customize it to your specifications. The software provides some helpful features for interaction that are built in. Some of those features include maps, a link to YouTube, and the ability to create surveys and forms. This could be very helpful in a classroom situation. Let's talk about your options when you're finished with your project. The software lets you download the project as a PNG file or a PDF. The problem is you have to be a paid subscriber in order to utilize this feature. It also gives you a tab to share. Most popular social media sites are included as a destination for your share. You can also publish your project to their online community, and it provides you with an embed code for future use. The Settings tab lets you determine the size you'd like to save your project as, whether it be a standard letter size or another size for different applications such as a website. You can also save a copy or save your project as a template for future use. Again, most of these options are only available to paid customers, which is a bit of a problem for free users. So here's my finished product, a colorful infographic about pet safety for kids. As you can see here, everything I needed was provided in the template. I was able to customize the wording as well as the pictures to be appropriate to my project. I'd say it looks pretty good overall. In conclusion, I like the program. I like the options it gives you, as well as how easy it is to use. Novice designers or people who aren't confident in their design skills should still be able to come up with a great piece with this software. One thing I didn't like was how you needed to be a paid subscriber to use many of the features. That was very frustrating, especially when I was trying to save at the end of the project. I'll definitely use it again because the positives outweigh the negatives.